Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful, very easy and fast scarf. The length of my scarf is for about 74 inches and the width is for about 5 inches. I am going to use yarn of this color. This is 2-ply yarn and a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. So this is slip knot on my hook and we have to do 320 chains. So complete doing 320 chains and we will meet again when these chains would be complete. When these chains are complete, chain 2, skip these 2 chains, yarn over into the third chain, insert the hook in, pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook, pull through all the 3. Now there are 1, 2 and 3 loops. Into the first loop, insert the hook in, pull through, insert the hook into the chain, pull through all the 3. Now insert the hook into the first loop, yarn over, into the chain, pull through. There are 4 loops on the hook, pull through all the 4. Into the first loop, insert the hook in, yarn over, into the next chain, insert the hook in, pull through. There are 4 loops on the hook, pull through all the 4. Into the first stitch, insert the hook in, yarn over, into the next chain, insert the hook in, pull through. There are 4 loops on the hook, pull through all the 4. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. We will meet again when the row would be complete. When the row is complete, chain 2, flip the work, yarn over into both the loops of the 4th stitch, pull through all the 3. Into the first loop, insert the hook in, yarn over. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. Insert the hook in, pull through all the 4. Into the first loop, insert the hook in, yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, pull through all the 4. Insert the hook into the first loop, yarn over, into the back loop, pull through all the 4. So this is just a row repeat pattern and the pattern is really very easy. Insert the hook into the first loop, yarn over, into the back loop, pull through all the 4. So this pattern is really very easy. Just a row repeat pattern. Keep on repeating the pattern to the width you require for your project. For my scarf, I completed 15 rows. And this scarf is for about 5 inches wide. At the end, I added fringes on both the ends and the length of these fringes are for about 4 inches. If you wish, you can increase the width of this scarf by continuing the pattern in the same way. So this is how the scarf is going to look. This pattern is easy, works fast, and you can complete this scarf in a day. This is just a row repeat pattern, so even a beginner can try to make this. Thank you so much.